much is your dental health worth how much? That's the real question. Because in our office, we can do Invisalign for less than $100 a month. We can set you up with something that we can fit it into your lifestyle. So for me, it is so worth it, I can't tell you. It's just putting a value on your oral health, on your smile. This is one of those things that everybody sees. You can't hide it unless you're wearing a mask, and those days will be coming to an end, hopefully someday soon. But once that mask comes off, this is one of those things that people judge us by. It's our smile. So without a doubt, it's worth it. You have to put a high value on it, and you will see it's worth it. Is your smile, to have a great smile, or to hold onto your teeth your entire life, is that worth less than $100 a month? I would say for most people it is. So hands down, yes, yes, yes it is. So a lot of dentists show their galleries, and I think that's great to see before and after photos. And we have galleries in our office. What I love to have people do is to go to my Instagram, Dr. Rick Mars, Dr. Rick Mars. And there, not only am I showing you before and afters, I'm showing you the actual patients. They're telling you about their Invisalign experience, and you're seeing people sing when they're done. You're seeing people's lives, they'll tell you how their lives have changed, how they're getting married now and things are happening, how they have so much more confidence. So you don't get that from a gallery of photos. So ours is kind of like a living gallery where people can see and hear what the actual patients have to say about it. For me, that's the best testimonial of all, is when we're hearing it live from our patients. Okay, I'm never going to put anything down, especially braces. I wore braces, my kids wore braces, but if you're given the choice, if you're an Invisalign candidate and you have the choice between braces and Invisalign, let's look at this. So Invisalign, generally faster, certainly more comfortable, way more aesthetic, and certainly way more hygienic, meaning you take it off to eat and brush and floss. Braces, let's face it, you eat a salad wearing braces, everybody's going to know you had that salad or that tuna fish until you can get to a toothbrush or floss and get it out from your braces. That doesn't exist with Invisalign. Invisalign is a little bit more expensive. That's maybe a little bit of a downside, but I'm talking maybe $500 more. And the other thing with Invisalign is you do have to wear it. If you don't wear it, it doesn't work. So those are the two things where braces beat Invisalign out on, but with a little bit of discipline, all those other benefits of Invisalign far outweigh what you get with braces. Is it painful? So I would say generally, no. Can it be a little bit uncomfortable when you're switching into a new aligner as it's tight, as it's going to work? Certainly. But let's go back to the braces question. Braces discomfort versus Invisalign discomfort. Here's braces, here's Invisalign. When my kids wore braces and had to have their wires tightened, oh my God, they were miserable for days. Where's the Advil? I need to take a Tylenol, Dad. It was not a good thing. We rarely hear discomfort issues from braces. I'm sorry, from Invisalign patients versus braces. So when you compare it to that, the discomfort is minimal. So I would say overall, it's a very comfortable procedure. Very timely question. So thank God we're all open now, but there are dental offices that aren't open full time yet. The important thing is you've got to communicate with your dental professional. If you're communicating with your dental professional, you're going to stay out of trouble. If you're on aligner 10 and they say go to aligner 15, then stay in aligner 15 unless you're able to communicate with them. And for sure, never stop wearing your aligners. Ever. Once you start wearing Invisalign, you can never stop wearing aligners ever until you go into retainers, then you don't stop wearing the retainers. So the key thing here, for anything, if it's a pandemic, or if you're traveling, or if you're out sick, or your doctor's out sick, things happen, communicate with your doctor, find out what your exact instructions are, and for sure, one, don't stop wearing them, but two, just don't blindly keep changing your aligners till you get to the end, because oftentimes you will get in trouble. And we sent out a lot of videos during the pandemic and memos to our patients, and some of our patients unfortunately ignored them, and they're paying the price for it today. So communicate with your dental professional. They are there, they will answer the phone and tell them your situation so you don't fall off track.